What's up, guys? So we back with another video. For the past 12 months, what I've been doing is I have been investing $2 every day in the stock market to show you guys how easy it is to invest in the stock market, how much returns you could get back, and overall, if investing in the stock market is actually a good idea because many do not know how to invest in the stock market. Many believe that you need a large sum of money, but the truth is, here are just my results, what I've been doing, and overall, let me just open the app and let me show you guys how much money we actually have in the stock market. And for this experiment, what I've been using is the app called Robinhood, because since we're only investing with $2 every day, we needed to buy fractional shares. One of the few apps that gives us the option to buy fractional shares is Robinhood. So this is the reason why I'm using Robinhood for this experiment. That being said, let me just open the app and let me show you guys how much we got right now. These are the results that we currently have at the moment. As you guys can see, we have a total of $2,674. Yes, these numbers are real. Let me show you guys the progress. At the moment, we're up $3.20. I know you guys may think $3.20, that's not a lot of money, but progress is the key at the end of the day. Now, over the whole week, we're down $18.73. I know we haven't seen the best of the market because politics has been going through a roller coaster ride. So for the week, we have seen lower numbers, but let's move on to month. Now, here we have our monthly results. We are up 1%, which comes out to be $27 with 49 cents. This is the results that we're currently getting, and let me show you guys the last 3 months. We are currently up $90, and our total percentage is 3.51%. So overall in the last 3 months, we're seeing positive results. So now let's just move on to the year update. Now, over the last year, as you guys can see, we're up $271 with 95 cents, and our total percentage is 11 with 32%. This is what $2 every day has given us. I know what you guys may be thinking, $2,000, 10%, that's really low, but this is money that we're not touching. We're just leaving it aside and just letting it run for itself, and in my opinion, is not a bad result. We're actually seeing great numbers. I feel like 11% is pretty good. Now, let me show you guys the first time we started this journey. As you guys know, we're actually been doing this for 2 years. Now, this is what we're really looking at. As you guys can see, we have a total gains of $324 with 48 cents. This is the journey that we've been through for 2 years. Many of you guys are probably thinking this is not enough, I could do more money somewhere else, but like I said, this is just money we do not touch. This is just money we just keep right here into the future. I believe in investing at a young age and letting it grow from this point on. Now, I don't see it as a bad investment. As young people, we tend to invest in liabilities rather than assets. Investing in something like this for our future that could grow our money in a better way rather than putting it in a savings account, because savings accounts aren't really giving us the best returns of inflation, economic periods, and overall just the way that banks are working at the moment is just not giving us the same return that many people saw throughout the early 1900s. So because of that, this is the reason why I believe investing now is better than investing later. So that being said, the stocks that I'm choosing are ETF dividend stocks. The reason why I'm choosing this is because I believe in compound interest, and it's actually one of the best and easiest way to grow your money in the long term. So mind you, this money is not all just money up front that I invested in. It's also money that these stocks have been paying me. So the dividends that I've been getting back from these stocks, I've just been reinvesting into the experiment. Now, let me just show you guys what stocks I have been investing in the last 2 years. VYM, JEPI, and GPQ. For the first stock that we're seeing is VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield. On top of moving like the SP 500 and being a bit cheaper, is just a way better return in my opinion. For that is the reason why I'm investing in this stock. Now, let me just show you guys our dividend results. As you guys can see, I have been buying, I do not lie. These are all the transactions that we've been through, and this is the real results of this experiment. We started off back in 2023, and as you guys can see, this is how much we started off with. On March 23, 2023, our first dividend payouts came out to be a total of 0.28 cents. That's how it started. But like I said, we did not stop. We saw the market coming down, we bought. We saw the market coming up, we bought. And slowly but surely, these 28 cents came out to be to 87 cents to $1.68. From that point on, that's where we reached our first $3 mark. And on December 21st, 2023, $3 with 72 cents. For 2024, we started off the year with $2 with 94 cents. We went to $5 with 77 cents to $5 with 71 cents. And our most recent payout, we ended off the year with $7 with 46 cents, starting off with 28 cents to $7 with 47 cents. I'm not really complaining because, like I said, this is just money that we're not touching. The way this is going, in my opinion, is going pretty well. So in total, all these dividends comes out to be $28 with 43 cents. What can I say, you guys? It's just money we don't touch. It's just money we don't care about. We just let it grow without doing anything. But mind you, this is just the stock. This is not the other stocks that we have. So let's move on to the next stock. For the next stock, it's a stock that apparently it's new in the market, but I took a chance in it because of the amount of dividends it paid. It's not even a 5-year-old stock, and this is having good performance, not even in the past 5 years. This is the reason why I chose this stock. Now, let me just show you guys how much dividends we actually got paid, and this is what true dividend compound looks like. Like you guys know, I started off around May 4th in 2023 with this stock. Our first time we got paid a total of 5 cents. Like I said, it's just the way we start, just let it grow by itself. Now, from these 5 cents, it moved on to 25 cents to 44 cents to 56 cents to $1 with 28 cents to $2.03. From $2.03, we moved on to $2.52, back to $2.03 to $2.26. Then we crossed to $3 with 57 cents to $3 with 51 cents to $3 with 32 cents to $4 with 92 cents to $5 with 13 cents to $5 with 23 cents to $5 with 91 cents. And our most recent payout on January 3rd, we got paid a total of $6. This is what compound interest really looks like. And with our most recent dividend payout that we're going to get paid on February 5th, we're going to get paid a total of $5 with 49 cents. So all of this is coming out to be a total of $63 with 8 cents. Like I said, compound interest, these are the results. And in my opinion, I'm not going to stop. So now let's move on to the next stock. This is actually another JPMorgan stock that is related to the Nasdaq. So because of this is another reason why I chose this stock. This stock just started in 2020. So in my opinion, I just saw more gains in this than the Nasdaq itself. So I could be wrong. I understand. In my opinion, this is what I'm going off with. And on September 5th, we got a total dividend payout of $1 with 87 cents. I moved all the money that I had in one stock. I just put it into this stock. That is the reason why I started off strong rather than in small decimal numbers. Now we move on to October 3rd, which is $2 with 28 cents. Then it went to $2 with 49 cents to $2 with 96 cents to $3 with 66 cents. And this is coming out to be a total of $13 with 26 cents. And yet, like I said, I do not lie. These are the results. You guys can see the progress where it started off at. So what am I going to do from this point on is, in my opinion, I believe that we should move on from $2 every day, because although it's going to be great in the long term if you invest $2 every day, I'm here to show you guys the results of investing a certain amount every single year. So this is the reason why I'm moving on to $3 every day rather than just staying at $2 every day. As you guys can see, in the beginning of the year, with only $1 every year, we got a good amount of return in the beginning, but overall, the way the market is growing, I believe that investing $3 every day is not that bad. Like I said to you guys, in our generation, we just tend to invest more in liabilities rather than assets. And the fact that we're growing something like this, like I said to you guys, is not a bad idea. It's a great opportunity to buy. The best time to start is now. From this point on, we're just going to be investing $3 every day in the stock market. If you guys want to be part of this journey and you guys want to see the results in this portfolio, remember to hit that subscribe button so you guys could get updates every 3 months for this portfolio. And also remember to hit that like button for the algorithm, because the best is just about to start and we're going to see how far we could take this portfolio with just the most simplest type of investments. So remember to hit that like button. And overall, at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything I say is just my opinion. These are just my results. And if you guys want to do something like this, remember, your own research. I'm just here to show you guys an example of what it is that I'm doing. So at the end of the day, remember, I'll see you back in 3 months to show you guys how our portfolio is doing. I'll catch you guys in the time. Take care, be safe, and we're out.